You see this, it's a new airport they're constructing. When I come back to Mwanza, we could come out of this airport. That was by far the fastest takeoff ever. When you come to Julius in Nyerere, use Bolt or Uber, it is cheaper.
Good
morning guys, Dadaski, welcome to my diaries. It's my last day in Mwanza and I am heading off back to Salaam. I've got an 8 o'clock flight. I'm exhausted, totally exhausted, but Mwanza has been fun. We are at the airport guys. That was the best bit of 5 minutes journey. So yes, this is life and Mwanza is fun. This is the new airport they're constructing here guys. Could you see this? It's a new airport they're constructing. So hopefully when I come back to Mwanza, we could come out of this airport. But I think it's international, I'm not sure. International? It might be international, I'm not sure. Jamal told me. It's international. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, we'll go to the beautiful airport. Let's go in there. Okay guys, look at this aircraft. I think it's a new aircraft. Yibo, could you tell me what aircraft this is? It looks like a new aircraft. Definitely looks like one of the new aircrafts. It's bigger, it's more spacious. Yeah. Yibo, is this a new aircraft? Let me know in the comments, okay? Guys, I'm going back to Salaam now. Mwanza has been fun, but I'm so proud to be going because, boy, I am tired. Party after party after party in Mwanza. Not good for a guy that don't party as much as I do. Well, not anymore anyway. Anyway guys, wish me a safe journey. It's a 1 hour 30 minutes flight. Check-in was quite straightforward. Hopefully check-out is straightforward. Dadaski, welcome to my diaries. YouTube is the game, you know my name. Was fast. Shit. That was by far the fastest takeoff ever. The plane set on the runway, drove up and boom, full speed. These new planes are very powerful. I now know what you're saying, Yibo. I now understand you more. Wow. What a powerful plane.
Nikumbuka na bagandigi simame kabisa nchi nzima na roho za kufunga mkanda kuondolewa. Tafadhali chukua tahadhari unapofunga sehemu ya mizigo na hakikisha unashika mizigo yote kabla ya kuondoka. Tafadhali tunaomba uthibitishe safari yako ya kurudi au kuendelea mapema uwezavyo kwenye ofisi zetu kabla ya safari.
Okay guys, I have landed back in Dar es Salaam at the moment, and yeah, Terminal 2 Julius Nyerere International Airport. I'm gonna check out and see on the outside. I checked in twice. Well, I landed twice in Dar es Salaam because I traveled out. Kind of like fun really, isn't it? The deed is done. I got my bags. I'm checking out now. That place look hella busy as you can see. But let me just quickly get my bags, check out. I'll see you guys on the outside in a sec. Oi. Out at last. I'm going to order a boat, Uber. It's going to cost me 19,000 to get to where I'm going to, very far. But yeah, domestic airport, I'm out. I'll see you guys when I get to the hotel. You know where I'm going to. Seascapey, baby. Again, guys, I cannot emphasize, when you come to Tanzania, you could use Bolt or Uber. These guys will charge you $20 to $50 for no reason. Do not use them at all. A guy just came to me and said he would charge me $40 for a 19,000 trip and then told me to negotiate. Is he, like, what is the logic? I come here to pay more. Is he drunk? Anyway, guys, when you come to Julius Nyerere, use Bolt or Uber, it is cheaper. Don't use those guys. Fact. They once took $50 for me to Mbezi. I felt like I was robbed till today. So don't do that.